Next, we'll see how to convert a given productions or how to convert a given grammar to a GNF format. Okay. So what is this GNF? A GNF is nothing but a Grebich normal form, and all the productions under this are as like this. Capital A tends to A alpha, or capital A tends to small a. All the production should be in any one of these form or in both of these forms. Okay. A alpha is nothing but one small letter, and rest of the thing is nothing but a string of variables or a string of capital letter. Or this production is nothing but one variable tends to one terminal. All the productions in this GNF should be in any one of these form or both of these forms. Okay, so before this converting a given grammar to a GNF, we should also check whether it contains any useless production, unit production, or any epsilon production also. Okay, if it is having these things, then we should first remove these things and then we should go for a GNF conversion. Okay, the next we'll see one of the problem for GNF conversion. We have a production as like one capital B tends to capital B small b and AD. Or we'll take another production better way for a simplicity, because afterwards we'll see a lemma 2. Okay, we'll take a production that is S tends to AB, A tends to BSB, BB, B, capital B tends to A, AB, and small a. Okay, so now these productions I should convert into a GNF format. Okay, so I'll start S tends to AB, A tends to, I'll put a production of this B into this B at the this production of A. So I'm getting, okay, before that I'll put R1 at the place of this B. I'll take R1 tends to B. So I'm getting a production of B as A R1 A. So I'm getting A tends to, if I'll put a productions of B into this, so I'm getting A small a capital A R1 SB, then small a capital A R1B, and this B. Similarly, I'll put this A at the place of this B, so I'll get a new production that is ASB, AB. Okay, so these are the productions I'm getting for this A, okay, which are already in a GNF. We have converted them into a GNF because it consists of one terminal along with a string of capital letters, starting with one terminal, and rest of the thing is string of capital letters. The next, S tends to, if I'll put a production of A at the place of this A, I'm getting A R1 SB, B, A R1 BB, then BB, ASBB, ABB. Okay, so these are the productions for this S. Okay, so I should again write down them again. Okay, and I should make them a box. R1 SB, then A R1B, then B ASB, AB, then B tends to A R1, A, and R1 tends to B. Okay, and I should make it box. These are all the productions in a GNF format. Okay, so this is a lemma 1 in a GNF format. Okay, we'll also see what is lemma 2 in a GNF. If the productions in this GNF will be like this, A tends to A, B, A. Okay, A tends to A, B, A. Then such type of productions will be called under a lemma 2. Okay, or we'll take we'll make one simplicity. Okay, such type of productions will be called as in a lemma 2. So to convert them into a lemma 1, we have a rule that is, for this we should take one more production, that is, suppose B1. B1 tends to small b, and B we should take for this along with the B1. Okay, for whatever remaining part I should take. Okay, for that I should take a production that is B1. B1 tends to this remaining. Okay, as well as I should add one more production that is remaining plus added along with a B1, and after that I should do a substitution like this. A I should put here if it is in a GNF format, then I should put here B1 and rest of the productions as it is. Okay, this again I should write down and I should make it box. This is in a lemma 2. If the productions will be as in this format, one variable or variable attached to the two ends of the arrow will be in the same format, then such type of productions will be called as in a lemma 2 of GNF, that we should convert into a lemma 1. Okay, and for converting them into lemma 1, what I should do, that is, whatever remaining part, for that I should take one more production that is nothing but a B1 or R1, you can assign any label, tends to that part as one production, plus one more production, that is that remaining part attached with whatever label you are assigning. Okay, that is BB1. After that, whatever remaining productions of A, if it is in a lemma 1 format, then I should substitute that at the place of this A, and after that I should write that production B1 here. So I am getting A B1, and that production will remain as it is. This A production will remain as it is. Okay, and after that, whatever productions I am getting, these are in a GNF format. Okay, whatever substitution we are doing, that should be in a GNF format. That care we should take. Okay, so in this way you can convert a given grammar to a GNF format.